class 7 weathering, we are doing chemical weathering. Okay. Now, chemical weathering matlab kya hai? It involves the decomposition of rocks so that it causes a change in the chemical composition. It also causes a change in appearance, to change hoga hi, but it also includes a change in chemical composition. The main agent in this form of weathering hoche rainwater. This usually happens when the mineral oito the main agent in this form of weathering is rainwater. It usually happens when the minerals जो है ना in the rocks में the minerals रहते हैं ना, they react with the rainwater, and so very not only with the rainwater but also with the various gases in the air. Now, mainly 4 processes are there for chemical weathering: oxidation, carbonation, hydration, and solution. Oxidation ki, when the minerals present in the rocks react with the oxygen of the atmosphere, which are present in the rainwater, then decomposition of minerals takes place, making the rocks much easier to erode. In this process, rocks बहुत weak हो जाता है, and the color of the rocks also changes. Like if iron present in the rocks is oxidized, it forms yellow or brown rust form कर लेता है. Then comes carbonation, means rainwater, when it passes through the atmosphere, it dissolves some of the carbon dioxide which are present in the air. So this forms, so a very weak form of carbonic acid is formed. The acid now reacts with some minerals in rocks like limestone. ये जो carbonic acid form हुआ ना, that deals with the, that reacts with the limestone, marble, chalk, वगैरह. The carbonic acid forms crevices and grooves on the surface, and they dissolve them. This process is known as carbonation. Then comes hydration. In this process, the minerals absorb the water and they form new compounds. So the chemical composition and structure also changes. Like if feldspar, it's a kind of rock which are found in granite, absorbs the water. It gets hydrated. It turns into a clay named kaolin. This process is known as hydration. Then comes solution. Minerals which are soluble in water dissolves in rainwater and enters, then cracks and crevices से अंदर आ जाते हैं. In this way they get separated from the insoluble minerals से अलग हो जाता है. This loosens the rock and finally they get disintegrated. This process is known as solution, and this is the simplest way of chemical weathering का सबसे simple form is there.